All right, guys, for the second video, we're going to go ahead and do some levers. In this case, I'm doing ASV levers on my 2025 Honda Grom. Super simple install. All you'll need is two levers of your choosing. Amazon ones are good. Any of the ones from any of the basic Grom websites are good. I went ahead and went with ASV. I run a lot of my dirt bikes. Have had good luck with them in the past. Tools you'll need: 10 mil socket wrench, extension if you want, 10 mil open-ended wrench, and a flathead, and that's it. All right, for the installation, we're gonna go ahead and take off the front brake on the side first. Pull up the nut on the bottom with your socket wrench. Comes out easy. It's tough to get in a socket wrench up top, so I'm gonna use a box wrench with ratcheting up top to remove this. All right, as you can see, that collar nut comes off, lever comes off, ASV goes on, slides into place, collar nut goes back in. Tighten it down until you can get all the threads through the bottom. Much easier with the ratcheting wrench here. All right, that's through. Put your nut on. Don't drop your nut. Tighten back up. Easy peasy. Front brake installed. You have some adjustment here if you go with the ASVs. But yeah, it's super simple, quick, easy, look great. All right, onto the clutch side. Well, with the ASVs, you can see they're much shorter than this. The OEM one, I'm having a little bit of impacting the mirror, so I had to roll my mirror into a weird position. It actually should be up a little bit more, so a shorter lever is gonna help me out there. First things first, you may need to use some pliers on these to loosen those. I should add those to the recommended tools. Go ahead and break both those free, and we'll come in, pull up the nut on the bottom. Every flathead. Same thing as the other side. Pull this out. You have the alignment here to where your lever can come out like that. Grab your ASV. This channel here will receive the OEM brake line. Just down in like that. Roll it over. Slide this down. Put your collar nut back in. Slide back down in. Secure that. Put the nut on the bottom. Tighten it back and hold the top while you tighten the bottom. You don't need a ton of pressure on this. Get your clutch to where it feels good, adjustment wise, and then spin these two back down so they're not lined up, so it can't come out. Tighten those down. You can use pliers to secure it. Apply your cover back on. All right, after both are installed, you can make sure you have full clutch engagement. Take it down into first. Like, shouldn't roll freely. Pull the clutch in, rolls freely. Just play with your adjustment until you get that just right, and that's pretty much it, guys.